Hello, and welcome to the show. Today on LEGO Creations, I have another subscriber request for you. This one has been requested numerous times, and I kept on kind of putting it off because I'm more concerned about getting this one wrong than any other, simply because I am a large Doctor Who fan. I think the whole household is, and it's kind of important to make sure you get it right. So I went ahead and decided to attempt it. This is the first version of the sonic screwdriver that I am doing. This is the David Tennant version, and it is closed. You will see at the very end of the video a way to create the open version of it, but there's a very simple reason for doing the closed version versus the open version, and that's how it sits in your pocket. Before you ask, yes, I'm going to be trying to make some other versions of the sonic screwdrivers. I don't know which ones yet. The complexity of them varies significantly, not to mention the popularity of them. I myself have not watched a lot of the old stage Doctor Who, and my dad, on the other hand, has probably seen every episode at least once. So it's just a matter of popularity, intricacy, and requests. As usual, don't forget that like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I will see you next time.